Hey, it's Andy Robertson with Realty One Group 5-Star coming for the walkthrough of 8746 Meadowlark Circle in Highlands Ranch. Let's go. Starting out on the front xeriscaped front porch, we come in through the concrete patio into your foyer. We'll go upstairs in a minute, but let's start with the formal living room. Big bay window behind me, connected to your dining room. Great window to the backyard. Into the newly renovated chef's kitchen. I mean, counter space. Fantastic stainless steel appliances, pantry. Look at this range. Incredible. Dishwasher, sink, beautiful stone countertops. Let's pop outside to the patio. Look at this professionally landscaped backyard. The huge patio, privacy fence. Great grass, nice Ted shed there. That is actually a pass-through should you need gas or electric connections. That comes out over here for your grill. Go back inside. We have a table to eat. Laundry room with access to the garage. Two little nooks off of the kitchen. Beautiful gas fireplace for your family room. And look at these windows. Just great light. So here is laundry room. There's the door to the garage. Gonna run downstairs. Great carpet all throughout this level, even down to the basement, which is unfinished, but there's some great space, including freezer, some fitness equipment, cedar chest, all the paint so you can match any patching or work you need. Look at this. Ready for a bathroom. Storage space for the crawl space, egress windows if you wanted to add bedrooms down here. Speaking of bedrooms, we'll head upstairs next. Main floor, half bath. All right, zip around. There we go. Like I said, that beautiful carpet's continued all throughout the house here. So the upstairs hall bath. It's a nice full bath with one of my favorite things we don't see enough of, solar tubes. I think these give great light. Bedroom 4. Linen closet. Bedroom 3. Views to the backyard. Bedroom 2, like that accent wall. Again with backyard views. Here is your primary. Two nice big windows, tall ceilings, ceiling fan, recessed lighting, plenty of room, attached bath. Love the window, that little soap and shampoo shelf, water closet, and nice sized walk-in closet. So I'm excited to get this one on the market. We're going to be going live tomorrow, Thursday, with an open house on Saturday. Please let me know if you have any questions. Andy Robertson, Realty One Group.